Alright, welcome back. I think we got it kind of figured out now. So what we're going to do is, like I said, we got this valve replaced. We're going to elbow, and I'm just going to put a mark here so I know exactly where to lay that guy in there. We'll go ahead and glue that one in, and then work our way out from there. And no real exact science to this, and they make glue specifically for ABS, but what I bought was kind of for ABS. You know, it's basically for everything. ABS, PVC. It's called all-purpose, I guess. That's what I bought, because that's what they had at the camper store. Just want to put a nice little layer of it around both pieces. Line our marks back up, push it in, hold it for a minute. Alright, now that's that. Now we'll move on up here to the next piece. Got a jack stand out here so I know kind of where I want all these pieces to be so that I have a nice little bit of fall. Put a white line on the bottom here, and go ahead and glue that in there. I'm running low on glue here. That's alright. As long as I get this sucker finished up. That's all that matters. Kind of on the wrong side here. Story of my life. But yeah. Nope. Right about there. Because you want this to fall a little bit so that gravity helps you out when you're trying to drain your pipes. And then get that sticker off of there. Don't want no. And I'm gonna replace these valves, but as you can see here, the fitting bolts onto the valve here, and I just glued in another stick of pipe to the length I wanted. And check it real quick, last minute, make sure. Yep, that should work out perfect. We're gonna take, I'm getting dangerous, I'm low on glue here. Thankfully, I'm almost done. I have to get some more glue tomorrow. But like we said, the main point of this video was to show that you can replace that fitting in the tank if you ever need to for some reason. Not just because you're cheap and trying to save money on building your camper, but there are other reasons. This is gonna bite me to get it in here. We shall persevere. Push it in there. All the way. well. I hope it's bottomed out. There's what I want right there. Okay. And now is what it is. In a few minutes, it'll be permanent. And, yeah. Alright. Show you guys what we did. Remember? Originally the valve came out of there and went straight down toward the front. We replaced this valve, street 90, another street 90, a piece of pipe, and then this flange we replaced just by changing the 4 bolts in the gasket. And I intend to replace that valve, so it's not a big deal for right now. And now it comes right out to the side of the bus, right in the middle of the driver's side. And obviously we'll cut a hole there and put an access door. We have those off the camper as well. And then for hooking up the gray water tank, we will, we can either elbow this over and then hook it to there, which I probably want to replace that flange and run a new pipe over, connect it in down there, because I really don't see any reason to replace that flange, although I have all the stuff to do it. But this video was basically just showing you that it is possible to change that flange if you ever break your pipe off or something, because with our pipe there was nowhere to cut it and reattach anything. It was all a bunch of straight L's which go into each other, and there's no pipe in the middle. So there you go. Now we have our flanges on the outside of the bus, and I just need to connect this gray water pipe. And as you can see, we have a little bit of fall, not much, but there's about inch and a half across the width of a 18-inch wide tank, I believe it is. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel.